Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Today, let us learn conversation in Dinka language. The conversation will be between Bol and Abuk. Bol and Abuk. Let's start from Bol. Bol. Chi bak Abuk. Abuk reply. And Paul Gup. Unayin. Chi Paul Gup. Bol and Paul Gup. Arret. Abuk. Yengulo itan. Nyang nyak. Ariel. Bol. And la dom di i balapur and la dom di balapur abuk yin moitiar sijal yakepat yen loy bol loy pordom ako dream group apay wako abuk kudun chalwel bol pordom elon di tot bol chadwam du pur eben ruane abuk koy riele chetok agop en chirot te pur ruane bol dugro loy baya adak rot abuka yin rienti abuk yin chale bol por abatem kaya te chi yin adat po bol apap dor nyalik ke yin abuka abuk dor nyalik ke yin ya uga buban rom this wa yom det is like this yom ya oma that da eta yom det bol mot kako tanien buk apiat kache abamo tanin yenekan by William Majak Deputy Tongjang South Sudan. Dorneali kawe kuyania. Please like the video, comment. Let's see. Is this type of lesson good for you? If it is good, say it is good so that I can make more conversation in Dinka language like this. Okay, this is the first conversation that I bring to you today, and it's just a preview. We want to see if it is good. I will be making very good conversation in Dinka language. If it is good with our Dinka translation, tell me in the comment section. If you want me to add English version, let me know so that I can also add Dinka to English translation. Okay, because English translation sometimes it helps you guys to understand what is going on. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe, share the video, like the video, and follow us in TikTok. I'm William Majak Malekde. Bye bye. Ordinary Kawek, Wiania. Ugaban Yok, next lesson. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to like the video. Remember to also share the video to your loved one so that we all learn Dinka language together. Bye bye.